Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the channel. Before I begin, here are my disclaimers. Today I am going to give you an update about Stitch Fix Inc. annual report. Stitch Fix provides a variety of businesses and services, including clothing and accessories for women's, men's, kids, petite, maternity, and plus sizes, personal styling services through its website and mobile application products such as plus denim, plus dresses, plus blouses, plus skirts, plus shoes, plus jewelry, plus handbags. Stitch Fix Inc. stock price surge. A year of turnaround in the past year. Stitch Fix Inc.'s NASDAQ SFIX stock price has skyrocketed by 66.01%, with some sources citing returns as high as 148%. This significant increase is attributed to a series of positive developments that signal a business turnaround. Key factors contributing to this surge include strong earnings reports and strategic initiatives. Stitch Fix's fourth quarter fiscal year 2025 results exceeded analyst estimates, with revenue reaching $311.2 million and net revenue per active client increasing by 3% year-over-year. The company also provided upbeat guidance for fiscal year 2026, projecting revenue between $1.28 billion and $1.33 billion. The return to revenue growth in the third quarter of fiscal year 2025, improved financial performance in subsequent quarters, and successful transformation strategy have all contributed to increased investor confidence. The company's cost management efforts, strong cash position, and increased average order value have also played a significant role in its stock price increase. As Stitch Fix continues to execute its turnaround plan, investors remain optimistic about the company's future prospects. The primary drivers of revenue growth or decline are largely influenced by fluctuations in sales performance. In fiscal year 2024, net sales increased by 12%, contributing to revenue growth. However, the following year saw a significant reversal, with revenue declining by 5%. This marked shift from growth to decline highlights the volatility of revenue and underscores the importance of consistent sales performance in driving financial success. Net income and profit margins. A shift toward stability, the financial performance of the company has shown signs of improvement in recent years. In 2025, net income shifted from a significant loss of $128.8 million to a relatively smaller loss of $28.7 million compared to 2024. This change indicates a reduction in losses and a move toward stability. Profit margins also underwent changes between the two periods. The gross profit margin declined by 4%, dropping from 44.2% in 2024 to 40.3% in 2025, while revenue decreased by 5%. However, the operating loss margin improved significantly, narrowing from a 10% loss in 2024 to a 3.1% loss in 2025. The improvement in net income and operating loss margins suggests that the company is making progress in reducing its losses and stabilizing its financial performance. Despite the decline in gross profit margin and revenue, the overall trend indicates a shift toward stability and reduced financial strain. The company's financial performance has been mixed, with some regions and segments showing improvement while others have declined. Regions/segments that performed poorly include revenue, gross profit, and cash equivalents, which all saw significant declines from the previous year. Revenue dropped by 5%, gross profit fell by 4%, and cash equivalents decreased by a substantial 30%. On the other hand, operating loss and net loss have improved significantly. The company's operating loss narrowed to $38.9 million, down from a loss of $133.4 million in the previous year. Similarly, the net loss reduced to $28.7 million, compared to a net loss of $128.8 million in 2024. Overall, while some areas of the business have shown improvement, others continue to struggle, indicating that the company still has work to do to achieve financial stability and growth. Management is focused on improving the company's financial performance by reducing operating losses and increasing net income. Despite declining revenue and gross profit, the company has successfully reduced its operating loss from $133.4 million to $38.9 million. However, management acknowledges potential risks, such as changes in consumer spending habits and increased competition, but a clear strategy for future growth is not outlined. That concludes the financial summary for Stitch Fix Inc. Feel free to comment below, and I will be happy to answer them when possible.